Hello friends, welcome to Play for Learn. Today we're going to learn the ABCs, the English alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's start. This is the letter A. A is for apple. Say again, apple, apple. This is the letter B. B is for ball. Say again, ball, ball. This is the letter C. C is for cat. Say again, cat, cat. This is the letter D. D is for dog. Say again, dog, dog. This is the letter E. E is for egg. Say again, egg, egg. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Say again, fish, fish. This is the letter G. G is for goose. Say again, goose, goose. This is the letter H. H is for house. Say again, house, house. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Say again, ice cream, ice cream. This is the letter J. J is for jacket. Say again, jacket, jacket. This is the letter K. K is for key. Say again, key, key. This is the letter L. L is for lion. Say again, lion, lion. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Say again, monkey, monkey. This is the letter N. N is for nose. Say again, nose, nose. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Say again, orange, orange. This is the letter P. P is for panda. Say again, panda, panda. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Say again, queen, queen. This is the letter R. R is for reindeer. Say again, reindeer, reindeer. This is the letter S. S is for sun. Say again, sun, sun. This is the letter T. T is for truck. Say again, truck, truck. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Say again, violin. This is the letter V. V is for violin. Say again, violin. This is the letter W. W is for wolf. Say again, wolf. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Say again, xylophone. This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Say again, yo-yo. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Say again, zebra. Great job, everyone. You've learned all the letters from A to Z. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading and writing English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time.
Let's go. Repeat after me. Let's start with A. For apple. B. But. For ball. C. CE. For cat. D. Da. For dinosaur. E. For egg. F. EF. For frog. G. Guy. For grapes. Eighth. High. For house. I. For ice cream. J. Jew. For jelly. K. Coup. For key. L. For lemon. M. For mango. N. For nest. O. For orange. P. Poo. For pig. Q. For quack. R. Roo. For rainbow. S. Sue. For snake. T. For tractor. U. A. For umbrella. V. Vu. For violin. W. W. For watermelon. X. X. For xylophone. Y. Yeah. For yo-yo. Z. Zoo. For zebra. Wow. You did an amazing job. Now, let's play a game. I'll say a sound, and you guess the letter. What letter says ah? Are you sure? Really? Right. A. Ah. For apple. What letter says but? Are you sure? Really? Right. B. But. For ball. What letter says cuh? Are you sure? Really? Right. C. Cuh. For cat. What letter says duh? Are you sure? Really? Right. D. Duh. For dinosaur. What letter says A? Are you sure? Really? Right. E. E. For egg. What letter says EF? Are you sure? Really? Right. F. EF. For frog. What letter says GUH? Are you sure? Really? Right. G. GUH. For grapes. What letter says ho? Are you sure? Really? Right. Eighth. Ho. For house. What letter says I? Are you sure? Really? Right. I. I. For ice cream. What letter says Jew? Are you sure? Really? Right. J. Jew. For jelly. What letter says Ku? Are you sure? Really? Right. K. Ku. For key. What letter says Lu? Are you sure? Really? Right. L. Lu. For lemon. What letter says Ma? Are you sure? Really? Right. M. Ma. For mango. What letter says Na? Are you sure? Really? Right. N. Na. For nest. What letter says Ow? Are you sure? Really? Right. O. Ow. For orange. What letter says Poo? Are you sure? Really? Right. P. Poo. For pig. What letter says Q? Are you sure? Really? Right. Q. Q. For quack. What letter says Ru? Are you sure? Really? Right. R. Ru. For rainbow. What letter says Sue? Are you sure? Really? Right. S. Sue. For snake. What letter says ta? Are you sure? Really? Right. T. Ta. For tractor. What letter says Are you sure? Really? Right. U. For umbrella. What letter says vu? Are you sure? Really? Right. V. Vu. For violin. What letter says wo? Are you sure? Really? Right. W. W. For watermelon. What letter says X? Are you sure? Really? Right. X. X. For xylophone. What letter says ya? Are you sure? Really? Right. Y. Yeah. For yo-yo. What letter says zoo? Are you sure? Really? Right. Z. Zoo. For zebra. Yay. You are a letter sounds champion. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading big words. See you in the next adventure. Bye bye.